So you might be wondering how you can basically use the bubbles feature set on Android 17. Now doing this is actually pretty basic. Now the first thing to understand is the new bubbles actually work by holding down on an application. So going through and holding down on an application like this, and you'll be able to see this bubble feature that basically comes up. So what you can do here is you can tap on bubble. So tap on bubble here, and you'll be able to see the bubble feature basically come up. Now the way bubbles work again is that they'll basically have these little pop-ups, and within these pop-ups you'll be able to go through and you'll be able to have these things that basically just pop up like this. So now what you can do is you can use this as a separate application, and if you're ready you can hop out of it and you can go through and you can use your apps as you normally would. Then when you're ready you can go through and open up these applications again, and you can have it on the side. So you'll see these bubbles basically on the side. Now what you can then also do is you can find those little plus buttons. So you can tap on the plus buttons and you can see if there's any other recent bubbles that you want to add. You can also move bubbles around if you'd like to as well. Now when you have it open, if you want to close it off, you can tap on that manage button right over here, and you can tap on dismiss bubble. So if you want to close a bubble, you can just click on close right there. That will also basically delete or close that bubble in the background as well. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.